Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your DealMachine account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of low equity properties in DealMachine? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of low equity properties in DealMachine anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business, maybe you're going after properties that you want to take over sub 2. You know that low equity properties have the highest chance of accepting that strategy. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your DealMachine dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my DealMachine, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of low equity properties, first you're going to go ahead and choose your farming area. So it could be a city, a county, a zip code. For me, I'm going to go ahead and just type in a zip code. Let's do 97214. Okay, once you see it, go ahead and just click on the area. Okay, you can see immediately DealMachine starts filtering out the properties. So it says there's about 8,500 properties in this zip code. And the cool thing about DealMachine is they have a quick filter for low equity. You just click here on quick filter and just scroll down until you see low equity right here. If you don't see it, don't worry, just click in search and just type in low and you'll see it pop up. Now you can see they filter out to about 570 properties in this particular zip code. So this is a list right here, but me personally, I'm going to go ahead and continue filtering down this list depending on what I'm looking for. So for me personally, I'm looking for single family residence. So I'll click here on property type and then I'll choose single family. So you can see it drops it down to 373. And then also I'm going to click here on price, because if your target home is, let's say 200,000 to 600,000, there's no sense in having multi-million-dollar homes on your list. So I'm going to go 200,000 and let's go ahead and go to 800,000. Okay, next. Usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on more. And for me personally, I like to buy from private owners. I don't really like to buy from other investors. So I'll click here on owner type and then I'll scroll down to corporate owned and I'm going to click on no and confirm. Also, I like to buy off market. So I'm going to click and then I'm going to look for MLS information right here. And I'm going to click on market status and I'm going to click on off market. Okay, you can see it dropped it down to about 190 properties that fit these parameters. So as you can see, you can continue adding more and more filters until you get to the list of properties that are ideal for you. And then just close this out. And as you can see here is our list of low equity properties in that particular zip code with those extra parameters that we put on it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to look for a list of low equity properties in your DealMachine account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.